Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close out a maintenance request. To close out a maintenance request, you have two options. One, navigate over to close and just hit that X button. As you can see, that delivery will move into your close tab. It was opened on 6/26 and closed on 6/26. The other option you have is to actually open up the maintenance request and navigate into closed in the drop-down. One thing to note is that you will have to, and actually I can just show you, there's going to be an error if this is a preventative maintenance request and you haven't marked the tasks in that PM as complete. So it will give you that error, but if I go in and select is complete here for all of these procedures, and then I go back to closed, now I can go ahead and close that request, and it will show up here in your closed request in the PM. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for your time. Hope to connect with you soon.